So after about 4 hours work, I have finally made a ground position signal that is fully working. If I can push the button and record at the same time. And just for scale, here is a 2mm drill bit, and these are the size LEDs that I am using. So again, if I can keep it in focus. So set to danger, set to clear. So the top is just a bright white LED. Bottom left is a standard red LED, both 0805 size SMDs. And the one on the right, on the bottom, is a dual color 0605 LED, which works out about the same sort of size as the other two, but it's half the size again, technically, because it's two smaller LEDs built into one. Wired off of a micro switch. So push it to clear, release to danger. These will be operated by a servo motor when I build my new layout. Yay!